Welcome at Pizza and More. This time we make a pizza variant which I actually tried the first time really in Naples. And I personally think this pizza is absolutely delicious. Yeah, I'm Jürgen and we make this time a pizza Bianca con Datterini Gialli e salami piccante. So we make a pizza without a tomato sauce, so a pizza Bianca, a white pizza, but we add some yellow date tomatoes and spicy salami. And do you know why I tried this really the first time in Naples? Yes, of course, I were also in such a trail. I had always the same pizza. I had most of the times a pizza speciale or a pizza calzone. I never ever tried anything else, but in Naples I thought, let's eat something totally different. And this version of pizza is really great and I'm looking absolutely forward to have this pizza today as well. I think these sweet, because the yellow date tomatoes are really a bit sweet, they fit absolutely perfectly together to that spicy salami. Of course, you also could use nduja, because nduja is also a kind of spicy salami. Normally as cheese we add on this pizza mozzarella or even fior di latte, but I have now smoked provolone, or you also could use smoked scamorza. The dough I have prepared, you will find the recipe for the dough in the video description. This is a direct dough with 48 hours leavening time and 65% of hydration. And now we start with this pizza. I have now the dough already on my counter and now I stretch this dough like we stretch a Neapolitan pizza, which means I press all the air from the center towards the crust. And if we see directly such big bubbles, we open them because this thick bubble would definitely burn in the oven. Then, as this is a pizza Bianca, the first we add onto our pizza dough is some olive oil. The next is some pecorino or grana padano or parmesan cheese. Then some fresh basil. And then the mozzarella fior di latte, or as I have here, smoked provolone. Then the yellow date tomatoes. And here, as I have yellow date tomatoes out of a can, it's important to open them because they were blown up like air balloons, and I'm really concerned if we put them into the oven that these tomatoes would blow up and then we have a huge amount of tomato sauce in our pizza oven. And then once again some olive oil. Now we have the possibility either to add the salami directly now or after baking. I will add this time the salami after baking. And some semula onto the peel. Then we push the peel under. And then we stretch the pizza to its final size. And then it's ready for the oven. And here comes the pizza out of the oven. Now I'm adding my spicy salami and I will show you the bottom of the pizza and It's crispy and you can see how nicely cooked the bottom is. And now you can believe me, I'm really looking forward to eat this lovely pizza. And I really make this pizza from time to time since I've been in Naples and since I had the pizza there. Often I have some difficulties with finding yellow date tomatoes, then I use red tomatoes. It's also possible. If you like my video, it would be fantastic if you would subscribe my channel, and then we see us also in the next video. Ciao!